Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I created this glam like rhinestone look for the holiday. Well, I don't know if I'll upload it before New Year's Eve or New Year's, but I just want to say Happy New Year guys, and please watch this video still. I wasn't planning to put on like a rhinestone, so I didn't film that part, but everything else I kind of filmed. So if you like this kind of videos, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay guys, so I'm using this Colourpop Jelly Much eyeshadow. That's what I'm going to be using as my base, and I'm just kind of creating like that sharp cut crease look without like the shadow. And then I'm using the Clarity Apocalypse palette. That's what's going to be used for my eyeshadow. And then I just put on my lashes from AliExpress. I'm going in with this glowish primer and my MAC foundation, OG foundation. I'm using that. I use NW47. That was my first time using the glowish primer, and I think it's okay. And then I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer, the liquid, and then going in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder in tan, and that is my baby. And then I'm using the Rare Beauty blush in Lucky with this crayon case blush binder. They have like a really pink blush there. And then I'm using my MAC powder in NW50. And then I'm going in with Global Glow, a highlighter. And then I used my 9th Month lip pencil. And then I used one of those new lipsticks from MAC. I don't remember the name. I'll put it in the description box. And then I went in with see-through lip gloss. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much and Happy New Year. Bye.